Okay, so what we had here was a flywheel, which when it got hot it didn't work properly. So we changed it with a second-hand one, and it's been perfect ever since. So when it got hot, there was a misfire, and you could tell which cylinder it was because one of the exhausts was hotter than the other. That can cause backfiring and not starting when it's warm. So the carburettors cause trouble too. Someone told me that there's a hidden jet which you'll never find, and that person said he drills them out and can modify them, but I asked him how to do it and he wasn't prepared to show me, so I can't show you. And the other thing that can cause misfires are the coils, but I'm sure you already know that. That's all then. Okay, good luck.